That's the whole reason I'm cutting this tree down and these others. So now you know. Yeah, I don't want that thing to fall in the house. Down. I was recording it and the camera shut off. I didn't have enough data room. I had to go throw it all into my computer and then come on back and finish it was a loud thud hitting the concrete area. You guys, wish that I got it on tape. That big one's coming down. Took out the fence, top pole, and the gate. I moved the gate yesterday evening. Washed the car and put it up in the garage. Get it from underneath the shelter there. Now I'm gonna use that truck and put a rope on this big, tall tree and keep tension on it and cut it, and that tree is going to fall right where I want it to go, where the gate was. If I can get it, I want to miss an RV. So all right, I just wanted to I got to cut this up. Right there was I dug those up. Those are the good skin plant. Aloe. Aloe? say it's a little warm. General rule in my life: can't get nothing done. Hard work out here, making my place better. Just have to get outside the door, turn off the news.